Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to create a cool niche family for your interior Revit projects. If you're ready to level up your designs, stick around. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Let's jump right in. Open up Revit and create a new family using the metric generic model, wall-based template. Head over to the placement side to begin our niche creation. Create 2 horizontal and 2 vertical reference planes. Make sure to set the dimensions as I'm doing here. To make our niche adjustable, we'll need parameters. Add an instance parameter for the width and height of the niche. Verify that everything is working smoothly in the Family Types dialog. Move to the reference level and establish a reference plane to define the depth of our niche. Create an instance parameter for the depth. This will allow us to control the overall size of our niche later. Back on the placement side, it's time to create the void that will carve out our niche. Add a void extrusion and lock the sides to the relevant reference planes. Switch to the reference level to adjust the depth. Now let's see our niche in 3D. Cut the wall with the void extrusion we just created. This gives us a sneak peek at the final result. Add an elevation parameter. It will give us more flexibility in placing and adjusting the niche within our projects. To add a finishing touch, let's create a frame for our niche. Back on the placement side, add extrusion following the steps I'm demonstrating. Create instance parameters for dimensions and materials.
Before we move on, make sure to save your family. Open up your Revit project and load the family you just created. Head to a floor plan and place your niche. Now, we're ready to fine-tune its dimensions and materials to suit our design. There you have it, a custom niche family created from scratch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to download this family and support the channel, consider becoming a CivilMix Patreon member. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.